On the sixth day of Tabby's holiday Christmas special, my true love gave to me a clean microwave. Okay guys, so this is the Angry Mama, and she is a device that I got along the same time I got my coffee mug heater from Bed Bath Beyond, and it's a little gadget that supposedly helps you clean your microwave, and you put it in the microwave and it's supposed to help you clean it. So we're going to see if it works like the way it says. Now the fun thing is I let my microwave get really crazy just for this experiment, and we're gonna see if it works. It's stuck on, it's bad, so it's gonna have a challenge on its hand. Hey guys, so we are in the kitchen now, and I got the Angry Mama, and let me show y'all what this little guy is gonna have to work with. My microwave is basically done, so it's a mess. Do you see that? It is tore up from the floor up. This microwave, I should be ashamed, and I am not. That's how bad my microwave is at the moment. And let me read the instructions. So it says we need vinegar and water, and it says remove Angry Mama's hair, blah blah blah, pour in the liquid, put it on for 7 minutes. So I gotta go get some vinegar and hope that we have some poured. Alright. Oop, I think I overdid it. And to pour some out. No, I think it's at the right place. I won't put too much in there. Alright, so he's all filled up. We're going to put the hat back on. I'm doing this all with one hand, so it's kind of hard. I'm going to try to put the head on. I'm going to cut the camera. Once I have it all put back together again, I'm going to put it in the microwave, and then we're going to put it on for 7 minutes to see if it actually does what it's supposed to do. So now the scary thing is my microwave is up relatively high, and I am only 5'2", so I'm quite short. And an Angry Mama is hot. It said on the packaging, be really careful because if it gets hot, you can burn yourself. So I'm going to wait the 2 minutes after she's done doing her work. And I have it all filled up now. I'm gonna grab our little arms and sit her relatively in the middle. And I'm nervous to say it can boil over. It says it don't overfill. Hope I didn't overfill it. And we're gonna see how she does. I'm very nervous though, but because it's dealing with hot liquids. So closed. 7 minutes. Let's see if she does what she's supposed to do. I let it sit the 2 minutes. Let's see if there's any water underneath her. So far, no water. I'm gonna get my sponge and give it a quick wipe and see did it do what it's supposed to do. Oh, okay. Wow. That's coming off with not even any water. Oh, wait a second. This might not be a... Let's see if it got that stuck on. You see that stuck on up here? Let's see how it goes. Oh, wait a second. This might not be as much of a bust as I thought. Oh, wow. That's cool. I don't even have any water on this sponge. This might actually have worked. I thought this was going to be a bust. Oh, wow. Okay, guys. So I am all done cleaning the microwave. As you can see, it turned out really good. This is exactly what I wanted it to look like. It looks really nice, and I mean, I'm impressed. I'm really impressed. Okay, so my final review on the Angry Mama is it a miracle worker? No, because it's not going to do the work for you. But did it give me an insanely good head start? and maybe like did 50% of the work by like making everything soft? Yes, because when things get hard in the microwave, they get really hard. And the Angry Mama most certainly gave me an amazing head start with what I needed to get done. So yeah, I give it a 10 out of 10. I can't really imagine doing a job this hard again without her. This was a really hard job, and it cut my work down, which would have usually taken me, I think something like this would have taken me like an hour because it was that stuck on. With the Angry Mama, it actually only took me like 17 minutes, and that's like record time, especially how bad, I saw how bad it was. It looks really good. So I would say 10 out of 10 is a good product. And just make sure that when you take her out, you grab her by the little arms, not by the base, and it stays hot. Like the liquid stayed hot, so be really careful messing with it. I did pour some liquid on my sponge to clean the microwave out on, and yeah, it worked. I can't believe it. Yeah, I definitely recommend it. It cleaned the microwave with no problem. It did about 50% of the work. Like I still had to scrub, I still had to work on it, but it cut the time down immensely. Like usually it takes me about, if the microwave get that bad, it would take like 2 hours. This took like 30 minutes. It was amazing. So it cuts the work down a lot. I would definitely recommend it. It's a good gadget. Okay, guys. Bye.